Here I've got iPhone 10R clone, and let me show you how to set up language on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select general, so it's just under do not disturb, and here you will find language and region. So just click on this icon, and here simply by selecting each you can select the language and region. So let me pick, for example, Horvatski. Click on it, and from now on it's all set up and all the menu is in Croatian. And then select one more time this icon, and you can go back to English or select any other language, just the one that you would like to have on your device. So let me pick English UK. Just click on it, and from now on, as you can see, you're back in English language. It's all in English. So that's it. Now you can change your language whenever you want to. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.